So my old Razer headset started giving some issues as far as static and blah, blah, blah. I just had issues and I was in the market for a new headset. Then I was sitting there thinking it'd be nice to have some earbuds, or IEMs as they call them, just so I can, you know, not have the dented hair anymore and I can actually grow it out and style it, etc. And these TRUTHEAR Crinacle Zeros kept popping up because I wanted something that at least had some good bass, punchy bass, but not too low and drawn out. And the reds came up. Then you have to have an extra attachment, and then you have to have like, it just wasn't good because it ended up flattening things out. And then I saw these were dual drivers, so you've got some for like the bass, you got some for the treble, and everything, the sound stage of everything with these IEMs that I was reading fit within my budget. So I ended up getting them. Tried a game, and I'm going to tell you right now, spatial audio was spot freaking on. I could tell how far the guy in the intermission was talking to me from. I knew exactly where he was perfectly. Like, I was like, holy crap. Then I was listening to some music, beautiful amount of bass, but not overdrawn and muddy. And it took me a while because I found out that with the different connections, the different rubber pieces, I had to play with a few of them because a couple of them fit, but it was too snug. And then I realized the sound wasn't really good. And then I finally found some that fit perfectly for me. And with that being said, I like it. I mean, it's different for me because I'm not used to it, especially because with them in, I can hear myself talk a bit more. Like I'm holding my fingers in my ear and I can hear that. It's just different. It's weird, but at the same time, like, I can accept this, you know, and I like the way they look. I mean, they fit nice, they fit real nice, but at the same time, it's just, I don't know, I really like them. I really do. And I like the way they look. I like the way I look with them, and I think they're just a good pair of earbuds. I'm not going to get into super technical details about it, especially because, you know, my neck is killing me. It's a whole nother story, but overall, as far as the way they feel in my ears, they're lightweight. The cord is nice, though it's not that long. Let me see. My PC is literally right there, and that's the distance. Okay. I'm thinking about the audio as far as like how loud. Everything's super loud. Like I had to actually turn stuff down, because I used to have it on 100. I turned it down to like 70%, and it's still very loud, to the point where I actually mess with in-game settings more. I thought about getting a deck. Don't really think I need it because the volume's great, but I am considering getting a longer cable. But at the same time, I don't mind it. So, I mean, it works. But other than that, I mean, it's awesome pair. They look great. They feel great. And to be honest with you, from a casual person's, you know, perspective, first time using it, dig it. It's going to take some time to get used to because, like I said, because I can hear myself, the bass talk. But at the same time, for someone who's not used to it, it's crazy. I didn't think these little things can sound so good. I mean, the bass is huge, the treble's huge. Like, this is like, it feels like they're professional headphones. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna finish off with, I mean, everyone's different. Everyone's ears are different. Everyone's sound preference is different. You've got audiophiles. You got people that don't like certain ways that they are. But for me, for gaming and music, I think it's awesome. Like, I was quite surprised. And like I said, I've used HyperX Cloud 2's Razer. That was a Razer Black Shark V2. And to be honest with you, I'm just happy to uninstall the software and not have to worry about that anymore. Literally just plugged it into the back of my PC and I'm good to go. Don't have to mess with anything. And that's one thing that I wanted to get to and I'm very happy about. So link is in the description if you want to check them out. They're badass. And then that's dehydrated. See the cool or warm sound right now.